Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change a GMC Yukon tail light. First, gather your essential tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. For your safety, always ensure the vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Then, open the tailgate to easily access the two retaining screws that hold the tail light assembly in place. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to removing the tail light. You'll need to locate and carefully remove the two retaining screws that secure the tail light assembly. Once those are out, gently pull the entire tail light housing straight back from the vehicle, being mindful not to force it. Next, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its small release tab. With the connector free, you can carefully set the tail light assembly aside on a soft surface to prevent any damage. With the tail light assembly removed, it's time to replace the bulb. First, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Then, carefully pull the old bulb straight out from the socket. When handling the new bulb, it's best to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Finally, insert the new bulb firmly into the socket until it is secure and properly seated, ready for reassembly. To finish up, let's reinstall the tail light. Begin by reconnecting the electrical connector to the tail light assembly, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Next, align the tail light housing with its mounting points and push it firmly into place against the vehicle body. Reinstall the two retaining screws you removed earlier, tightening them snugly but not excessively. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new tail light to ensure it functions correctly, completing the replacement process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.